Hello, welcome back. I'm Laura Cepeda. Welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. Today, I want to show you something simple, easy and fast. I know that in some countries and in some places it's still cold, so I wanted to show you something for all of you that watch my videos and that in your cities and in your countries it's still cold. You can use it as a headband or as a collar too. It will look beautiful both ways, and the most important, you can make it with that left yarn that you have in your house, because you are going to use the material that you have left from other projects. So don't worry, I will give you the material list to see approximately how many material you will need for this project, but if not, as I told you, you can use other material that you have in your house and you can mix colors and play with the textures and create different things. Remember that this is just an idea, this is just the base, and with this idea you can create your own. Well, so let's start. For this headband and a collar, we are going to need 100 grams of alpaca of Alice. This is a beautiful yarn, it's very soft. We are going to use it in plain color or as you want. It's a medium yarn, look. For this kind of projects, you will need a medium yarn, not too chunky. And we are going to use a plastic ring. It's approximately to the size of a screw-on. Look, if you can find one, well, you can make it, you can crochet it too. And a crochet hook of 3.5 or 4 millimeters, according how you crochet. Remember that if you want to use the same materials that I use in all my videos, here I will leave all the information. With one thread and with our plastic ring, we are going to start making this headband. If you don't have one, well, you can use something similar to it. The only thing that it's important is that it has to be rough, it has to be hard material. Well, and we are going to start making 3 chains after we made the knot. And we are going to start making extended double crochet of 3 crochets. Look, I will do it slowly so you can see how it is. Again, grab your yarn, insert your hook, take 1, take 2, and the last 2. And like this until we have 12. We are going to take into account the chains that we made at the beginning. So here we have 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to start the 4th. Like this until we have 12. When you have 12, well, you are going to turn around and you are going to go up with 3 chains. And we are going to make extended double crochet in this stitch. We are going to make 3 together. I'm using the hook of 3.5 because I crochet a little bit loose, but if it's not your case, well, you can use the crochet hook of number 4. Look, here I have my 3 extended double crochet together, and then I'm going to skip 1, 2, 3, and here I'm going to insert my hook, and again here I crochet the 3 extended double crochet together, and like this will be our first row. This will be only the first row, then I will show you how we are going to make the next ones. Well, like this until we have 4 like this one. Remember, 3 chains and then the 3 extended double crochet. Well, when we finish, we are going to turn around, and so far it has to look like this, okay? Then we are going to go up with 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and we are going to make extended double crochet in this stitch. We are going to make 3. You have to crochet a little bit loose because the stitch has to look good. Okay, so I suggest that you crochet loose. Try not to pull your project too much. And look. So we made 3 chains and 3 extended double crochet, and then we are going to insert our hook here. Pay attention because this will be the trick and this will be the magic of our project. You are going to take it from the back like this, grab your yarn, bring them through, and it will look like this. It will look like bump. Then 3 chains, and here we are going to make the 3 extended double crochets. And then the next one, you are going to insert your hook here. Remember that you are going to take it from the back and bring them through together. And it will look like this. It will seem that you are crocheting in relief. And we are going to continue like this until we have a sash that fit in our head, okay? We are going to repeat as many rows as we need. The important part and the secret is that you take this step in relief, so you have to be careful and remember to take it from the back to have this effect, and it will look so beautiful, I promised. And here we are going to repeat. Here we are going to make the 3 extended double crochet. Well, first the 3 chains and then the 3 extended double crochet. And here we are going to take it from the back, and like this we finish the row. And look, remember that you always must have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you are going to repeat. Now turn around and you will continue. I love making this stitch because it's so simple and it looks beautiful. I was thinking that you can also use this stitch to make something else, maybe to make the front of a blouse or to make a baby jacket or something like that. Well, here in this row you are going to take the stitch like this, look, from the back too. And like this we are going to continue repeating this stitch and continue making as many rows as we need until we have a long sash that fit our head. Well, I already tried on, and this is the length of my head. Now I'm going to close, I'm going to fold it, I'm going to join this part with this one. And we are going to join it like this. So here where we finish, we are going to take this stitch and we are going to take the ring, the plastic ring. We are going to grab our yarn and we are going to make as we were making a extended double crochet. Then here in this stitch we are going to slip one, and again 1 extended double crochet, and in the next stitch we are going to slip 1. We are going to repeat this until we finish to join the plastic ring with our project. Until here we are going to make an extended double crochet, and then in the next one we are going to slip 1 like this, and again. Don't worry if we jump from here to here. We are going to repeat these steps until we arrive here. I will do it slowly so you can see how it is.
Porque me da pena porque me endoy como ronca, pero ya me tomé jadito, ya me tomé limón con miel, ya todos los remedios y no se me quita. Y de aquí nos pasamos hasta acá. Y otra vez, ¿sí?
And look, so far it has to look like this. This is the front part. We almost finished. and this is the back part. This is the wrong side. We are about to finish, and then we will see how it looks. When we finish, it has to look like this. Look, we already joined both parts, and now here we are going to cut this thread, and we are going to bring it through here, and we are going to pull. And now this thread, we are going to hide it through the break with our hook. Well, we are about to finish, but now we have to join both parts to hide the plastic ring. So we have to join here. In this side, I'm going to make a knot taking both threads like this, and in the other side I'm going to make the same. I'm going to take a thread and I'm going to bring them through, and then I'm going to make a knot to make sure that this won't see. And look, this is it. You can use it and you can wear it as a collar too, and then I will show you how you can use it as a headband. What do you think? I hope that you like it. I will show you how you can use it and wear it as a headband too. Well, look, this is it. This is how it looks as a headband too. I love how it looks. In both ways, it looks beautiful, it looks good. And as I told you at the beginning, this is very simple, and I love making this stitch because this stitch will be the base for many pranks that you may have in your mind, and you may have in mind. You can make a baby jacket, you can make a blouse, or you can make more colors like this. But well, if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave all your comments and send me your pictures. Please follow me in all my social media. Bye!